When you need a high-speed aircraft, you look for one with supersonic capability. And when you need a high-speed signal connector, you look for a connector with hypertact technology. Smith's Interconnect cPCI series backplane connectors feature hypertact technology with optimized lead traces for delivering high-speed data rates up to 3.125 gigabits per second with less than 8 milliohms contact resistance. These durable connectors operate over a current rating of 1 amp per contact and offer a dielectric withstanding voltage of 1000 volts RMS and an operating temperature range of -55 to 125 degrees Celsius. The cPCI series features a press-fit variant option and is available in reverse gender for commercial 2mm products. These connectors offer unique keying for assured proper mating in a modular design with 3U and 6U configurations, and are interchangeable with cPCI COTS systems.